Good day, sir. Here's my application papers.
Tell me about yourself.
I am Judeline Sarian. I am from Talacogon, Agusan del Sur. I graduated at Northeastern Mindanao State University, Lianga Campus with a degree of Bachelor of Science and Business Administration, major in Business Economics.
Why should we hire you?
You should hire me because I have the specific skills you need for this role, like managing complex projects or optimizing customer outreach. I am a quick learner and I am dedicated to achieving the results your team is looking for.
What motivates you?
I am motivated by tackling new challenges, especially those that involve streamlining workflows or developing innovative solutions. I thrive on seeing my contributions directly impact on the team's success.
Why do you want this job?
I want this job because it perfectly aligns with my career goals, particularly the opportunity to lead the new marketing innovative and help grow your community programs. I'm genuinely excited to be a part of a team that values innovative or dedicated to the customer success.
How would you handle a situation where you're assigned more work than you can complete on time?
I'd prioritize tasks, communicate early with my manager about the workload, and ask for guidance or support to ensure deadlines are met without compromising quality.
Okay, thank you.